It's a golden opportunity for me to work for the country, and our army is doing so much best work for us, and so why don't we try to do that? We can do in our field whatever we want. Special change in my life. I'm working day routine. That was not. It is going on continuously. What I had done before and what I am doing, that is the same task, same work, and nowadays.
So at present this COVID vaccine trial is in phase 1, where we are checking the safety of the vaccine, as well as we are trying to find out the dose which will be the effective dose. So we are giving this vaccine in 2 doses, in low doses at 3 microgram and in a little higher doses, which is 6 micrograms. So after phase 1 we will be able to, it will be clear which is the intended human dose and which should be given to human beings later on in stage 2. Then it's mortality or morbidity that is there. So they are motivated in the sense that they are motivated themselves and they want to do some good. For the good cause they are coming forward. So they don't know what will be the effect of the medication or what will be the effect of this vaccine. But they want to do something good, and they really feel that if they can contribute in some towards the success against this disease. Enumeration benefit for participating, that is not in our laws, that is against laws. So the benefit which they are getting is that we will be following them up for next 6 months. So in case they need any medical help or any medical treatment, so we are readily available at PGIM Rohtak for their help, one. Secondly, we are providing them with transportation allowance, whatever money they are spending on transportation or coming to the PGIMS Rohtak, we are reimbursing that transport allowance. And thirdly, in case of any mishap which happens due to the vaccine during the trial, so there is a insurance policy which is a mandatory policy which has to be taken. It is in our laws. So in case something goes wrong with somebody, so they will be fully compensated according to the laws.
I request to all the volunteers that to come forward for this trial. I assured you that it will not side effect. It will not give any side effect because it is only I am assuring you because it is made in India. We must believe in our doctors' faith, and the medicine is made by Bharat Biotech already. That's all.